everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorial. In this video, I will talk about how to know if the Snapchat app is down. So without talking anymore, let's get started with the video. So, you might not be able to use the Snapchat app properly, or you may find the app crashing frequently. So the one reason can be that Snapchat app is down, and to know that if this is the case, you should visit the website downdetector.com. So for that, you have to open a browser on your mobile device. So here I'm going to use Google Chrome, and then you have to type downdetector.com. Now on this website, you can see the first app is showing as Snapchat, and if it is not showing the app, you can simply use the search box right here by pressing the search icon, and then you can type the name of the app. Alright, for now it is showing the app already, so you can simply press that. Now here it will show that if the Snapchat app is down or facing any outage. Alright, so as you can see, it's written that user reports indicate problems at Snapchat. So it means there is a problem with Snapchat. If there would have been no problem, then it would have been mentioned here that there is no problems at Snapchat. Alright, so as you can see, there is a graph as well given at the bottom. Snapchat outages reported in the last 24 hours. So this graph will show you when, at what time or on what day the Snapchat app was down or is down. So using this website, you can know the current status of Snapchat, alright, if it is working fine or not, if the server is down or not, alright. So that's how you can know about the server status of Snapchat or any other app that you want. And if the server is down or if it is facing any outage, you can just wait till the issue gets resolved. Alright, and then you can start using it normally. Alright, so you need to wait for at least maybe 12 hours or maybe a few hours, and once the server status gets restored to normal, you can start using the app normally. So that's one thing. Now if you think the app is not down and the app is working fine, but still you are not able to use the Snapchat app, there are a few fixes that you can use to fix the error. Alright, so I'm going to discuss that. Alright, so first of all, you need to make sure that the Snapchat app you are using is up to date. For that, you have to go to the Play Store if you are using Android device, or you can go to the Apple Store, and then you simply have to search the Snapchat app. And now here, as you can see, the update option is available. So it means there is an update that you can install and that you should install to fix the error that you are facing. Alright, so here is the update. You simply have to tap the update button, and once it gets completely installed, you can see if you are able to log in normally or not, or if you are still facing the same error that you were facing before. Alright, so that's one option. So let the update get complete and then you can try to log in again. Now after that, what you can do is, if the app is already updated, what you can do is you can simply uninstall it from the Play Store only, and then you can reinstall the latest version. Alright, so that's one thing that you can do. So as you can see the option right here, uninstall, you can press that to completely remove the app from your mobile device, and then you can reinstall it. Alright, so that's another thing that you can do to fix the error or the crashing issue with the Snapchat app. And apart from that, you can go to the settings section of your mobile device, and then you have to look for the Snapchat app, or you can simply search for it using the search icon. And now after opening the Snapchat app in the settings section, go to its storage, and from here you can clear the cache as well as the data, and then you can try to log in again, as sometimes doing this will also remove all the bugs or glitches from the app, and you will be able to use it normally again. That was all for this topic. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as we keep on posting informative videos every single day. You can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, where I post similar content. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.